Excessive paw licking is one of the most common concerns our vets hear about. Is it allergies, anxiety, or something else? Hi, I'm Lyndall from Vetster, and today we're discussing paw licking in dogs. As usual, all of the information in this video has been carefully reviewed by leading Vetster veterinarians. Alright, let's get into it.
Paw licking is a frequent concern during veterinary visits, and the causes are pretty diverse. Common causes include food or environmental allergies, secondary skin infections that develop on top of allergies, pain or injury, parasites, irritants like salt on winter paws, and contact dermatitis. While anxiety and boredom are often assumed to be the causes, research actually shows that medical conditions are far more prevalent than behavioral issues. Allergies are the most common cause of excessive licking and scratching in dogs. Some dogs with allergies even develop anxiety-like behaviors because constant itching is so frustrating. So licking from allergies and licking from anxiety can overlap and be connected. When you examine your dog's paws, look for redness, swelling, raw spots, moist areas, odor, and dark or gray discoloration in the licked areas. Brown staining between the toes is a telltale sign. Also, look for crusts, scabs, thickened skin, and broken or torn nails. Signs that point to allergies: licking multiple areas beyond just the paws, seasonal trends or worsening after outdoor time, ear redness or recurrent ear infections, absence of regular flea control, paw irritation that was present before the licking started, and itching elsewhere like face rubbing or belly scratching. Anxiety looks different. Signs suggesting anxiety include licking during or immediately after stressful events, licking during rest when the dog isn't actively itchy, minimal redness or inflammation initially, habitual repetitive behavior that's hard to interrupt, and accompanying indicators like pacing, whining, hiding, or clinginess. Here's how allergies work. The immune system overreacts to environmental substances, food or flea saliva, causing skin inflammation and itchiness that commonly affects the paws. As your dog licks and chews, the heat, moisture, and abrasion damage the skin barrier, allowing bacterial or yeast infections to develop on top. Those secondary infections increase itchiness even more, creating a cycle of irritation, licking, and worsening inflammation. Anxiety is actually an uncommon cause of paw licking compared to medical conditions. Some dogs lick as a self-soothing behavior, and the temporary endorphin release reinforces the habit over time. Anxiety-related licking typically begins on normal-appearing skin. Importantly, behavioral causes are diagnoses of exclusion. They're only considered after dermatologic disease and pain have been ruled out. Treatment for allergy-related licking may include reducing allergen exposure, managing inflammation and itch, diet changes, and immunotherapy for environmental allergens. Practical steps include year-round parasite prevention, wiping paws after walks, avoiding irritant contact, and environmental control for dust, pollen, or mold. Anti-itch medications like Apoquel or Cytopoint manage inflammation effectively. Oral or topical treatments address secondary infections. For anxiety or compulsive disorders, treatment may involve reducing stressors, consistent daily routines, behavior modification, and medication when needed. Seek immediate veterinary attention if your dog has raw, bleeding, swollen, or foul-smelling paws, sudden onset severe licking, lameness or pain, licking that interrupts sleep, or recurrent episodes despite home care. Online veterinarians can review photos or videos identifying visible irritation, explain differences between allergies, anxiety, and other problems, offer early itch control or stress reduction strategies, and advise when in-person diagnostics are needed. If your dog is constantly licking their paws, don't assume it's anxiety. Talk to a vet to identify the actual cause. Book a virtual appointment with Vetster to discuss your dog's paw licking and get a treatment plan that targets the real problem. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.